Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and access. Charge the Beats or connect USB-C because trying to open while powered risks damage. Once charged, flip to expose the hinge and power button. Remove any protective case or fabric so you can see screws and clips. Make sure you work on a flat, well-lit surface with a small tray for screws. You'll begin by popping the ear cup off. Use a thin pry tool at the seam near the hinge, gently prying outward while watching for hidden fasteners. Once the ear cup is off, proceed methodically. You'll find 3 to 5 clips and a few small screws. Use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching and a precision screwdriver to remove screws. Keep screws organized because sizes differ. After screws are out, lift the cup slowly to reveal a ribbon cable to the speaker and controls. Use a spudger to release the connector and take a photo of the orientation. Make sure to note adhesive spots and don't force components. Gentle upward lifts protect fragile contacts. You're at the final internal steps. Remove the battery and antenna assembly only if needed, observing polarity and any adhesive tabs so you can reseal later. Inspect speaker mounts and cable routing. Replace parts or repair solder joints using low heat technique. Before snapping everything back, reconnect ribbon cables and press connectors firmly, then power on to test. Once confirmed, reapply thin adhesive strips where removed and close the ear cup, aligning clips. If it won't power, first recheck connector seating and battery contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.